Alright everybody, how are we doing today? And what I have on this table is my CVF racing kit for my serpentine belt installation on the truck. We're going to start over here, and what it comes with is the cast aluminum water pump. And the associated hardware to install the water pump. And here's your crankshaft pulley right there. And this is the hardware for it to install the pulley to the crankshaft. And here's your water pump pulley right here. Attaches to the nose of the water pump. And it comes with the nose cap right here with the associated hardware for that. And you get the alternator belt and the power steering belt. Okay, moving on to the alternator. Here's the alternator right here. One wire alternator, GM alternator. The alternator serpentine belt pulley, the alternator fan, the alternator mounting bracket, alternator mounting hardware, alternator nose cone, alternator nose cone hardware. And that's the alternator, and last but not least is the power steering. Right here is the power steering hardware. Bracket right here. More bracketry right here. We'll pull that out so you can see it. That's what the bracketry looks like right there for the power steering. And here's the power steering pulley right here. It's a 5/8 keyway shaft. You see the keyway right there. And then, last but not least, here is the Saginaw power steering pump. So there you have it, folks. The review on the CVF Racing all-inclusive serpentine belt installation for your small block Chevy. Okay, you folks have a great and wonderful day. Thanks for watching.